Students, in this video I am doing your 14B sum number 5. So here you are given that this is a rhombus, all the sides are equal. This is an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So all these sides become equal. We are going to write this right in the beginning, that everything becomes equal. Now I have to find AOB. So first focus on your AOB. AOB, I have APB as equilateral triangle, so I have already written that the angles are 60 degrees. Now when I focus at AOB, I know that this is 60. I have to find this. And if I know this, then it becomes easier to find this. So focus at this. Here your BD is the diagonal. Remember, here your BD is the diagonal. The corner angle is what? The corner angle is 90. And BD is the diagonal. So this portion becomes 45. So this becomes 45. So angle ABO is 45. And now AOB becomes easy for me. It is 180 minus 60 plus 45. So just focus over here that when you are talking in terms of diagonal or when you are talking about APB. As I told you, at times you can erase this line and then erase this line and focus on one thing at a time when there are two lines budding from one vertex. So you can erase this line and just focus on BD and you can finish your AOB. Now coming to the next one, I want to find my BPC. So I want to find my BPC. So now focus on the triangle BPC. I know that this and this are equal. Now focus here. Don't see this portion BPC. If I see the whole angle B, it is 90 degrees. And this portion, if you see from your APB, this portion is 60. So if I see this, it is 60 degrees. And this full thing was 90 degrees because it was an angle of a square. So this balanced portion will become 90 minus 60, which is 30 degrees. So I get this is my isosceles triangle because everything is equal. I have proved it already. So this angle and this angle will be what? 180 minus 30, which is 150 upon 2. So this is 75. So I get this as 75 and this as 75. Now once I have finished my BPC, this is 75, I am supposed to find PCD. So P, C and D. Again I know this full thing is 90. So I know that this full thing is 90 and this portion I know is 75. So the balance portion becomes 90 minus 75, which is 15 degrees. And finally I want to find the reflex of APC. I know that APC is 60 plus 75, which is APC is equal to 60 plus 75, which is 135, and therefore reflex APC will be 360 minus 135, which is equal to 225. So we have found this also as 225. So the key factor is, just remember that when you're looking at the diagonal, you have to use the property diagonal bisects. When I'm looking at APB, this whole becomes 60.